this is a little gift I got myself for getting it to 2 years. For a lot of this journey, I didn't think I would hang in this long, but I did. I have all these ideas for videos. I don't always follow through. I bought this to make a video. I want to make a video about the packaging because I'm interested in goods management. And when you get something like this, it comes with a lot of packaging, and I want to make a video with this as a prop as well. I made a little cup with my logo on it. So this is to celebrate hanging in there for 2 years. I've had some fun. I've learned a few things, and at this time I just want to keep out there and get to my 100 videos.